Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are finding composite functions. We are given f of x equals 3x plus 1, and g of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 4. We need to find four things. Part A, f composed with g of x. Part B, g composed with f of x. Part C, f composed with g, evaluated at 2. Part D, f composed with f of x. Key concept: composite functions. The notation f composed with g, written as f circle g, means f of g of x. You substitute the entire inner function into the outer function. Always work from the inside out. Part A, find f composed with g of x. F of g of x means substitute g of x into f. F of x equals 3x plus 1. Replace every x with g of x. F of g of x equals 3 times the quantity x squared plus 2x minus 4, plus 1. Distribute the 3x squared plus 6x minus 12, plus 1. Combine constants, negative 12 plus 1 equals negative 11. F composed with g of x equals 3x squared plus 6x minus 11. Part B, find g composed with f of x. G of f of x means substitute f of x into g. G of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 4. Replace every x with f of x, which is 3x plus 1. G of f of x equals the quantity 3x plus 1 squared, plus 2 times the quantity 3x plus 1 minus 4. Expand 3x plus 1 squared, 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. Expand 2 times 3x plus 1, 6x plus 2. Combine 9x squared plus 6x plus 1, plus 6x plus 2, minus 4. Combine like terms, 9x squared, plus 12x, plus negative 1. G composed with f of x equals 9x squared plus 12x minus 1. Part C, find f composed with g, evaluated at 2. We already found f of g of x equals 3x squared plus 6x minus 11. Substitute x equals 2. 3 times 2 squared, plus 6 times 2, minus 11. 3 times 4 equals 12. Plus 12. Minus 11. 12 plus 12 equals 24. 24 minus 11 equals 13. F composed with g of 2 equals 13. Alternatively, find g of 2 first. 4 plus 4 minus 4 equals 4. Then f of 4, 3 times 4 plus 1 equals 13. Same answer. Part D, find f composed with f of x. F of x means substitute f of x into f. F of x equals 3x plus 1. Replace every x with 3x plus 1. F of x equals 3 times the quantity 3x plus 1, plus 1. Distribute 9x plus 3, plus 1. Combine 9x plus 4. F composed with f of x equals 9x plus 4. Recap. F of x equals 3x plus 1. G of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 4. Part A, f composed with g of x equals 3x squared plus 6x minus 11. Part B, g composed with f of x equals 9x squared plus 12x minus 1. Part C, f composed with g of 2 equals 13. Part D, f composed with f of x equals 9x plus 4. Remember, order matters in composition. F of g is not the same as g of f. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.